What's up, guys? It's Sam here. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's Monday. That sucks. It's still pitch black outside. Why? Why? Come on. It's so freaking early. No, I'm done. Go outside. Guys, there's not even a hint of sunlight. It's pitch black. Yum. I have to get up this early in the morning. It's so stupid. Oh my God! It's the little Sadie balls. It's the little Sadie balls. Hey Chester, the little Chester puppy baby, little rotten turd. He's a little rotten turd. Get out of my house. Get out. Go. You little rotten turd. Go. I'm sorry, Chester. I'm sorry. I don't mean that. I don't mean it. I'm not serious. It's alright. Get out of my house, you little rotten turd. Go. Shoo. Shoo. Mercy. I'm just kidding. I don't mean it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. No harm. I don't want to fight. Okay? You understand? I'm sorry. Guys, so the plan is, and it's super awesome, right, Olivia? When Sophia gets home, which according to my calculations should be in about 15 minutes. That's like, you know, the second hand. It goes around the clock 15 times. So that by that time she should be home. And then we'll be picking up Morgan's boyfriend. Ooh. Yeah, you are, Olivia. Boyfriend. And then we're going to be going to the apple orchard to pick up some red fruits. Sound good? And we're off.
Good.
What'd you do?
Learned. Oh, I love this song.
You learned?
Learned.
Duh, you're at school, but what did you do during lunch? You ate food. Good. Did you eat it with pride?
No.
You didn't?
No, I don't think so.
Well, that sucks.
Hi, Sam.
Hello. Turn around and show them your beautiful face.
Hello. Hello.
Having Sophia Wilson vlogs for a minute might become a thing if they like it. I'm scared. You're scaring me.
What are you doing with your hands?
Sucking it.
Ew.
It actually is kind of gross.
You gonna pick many apples at the apple orchard?
Yes, I'm gonna pick up tons of apples.
I love apples.
Apples. Okay, they're tired of this. You're not a good filmer.
I know.
Seriously freaking raining. That's annoying. Like right as we got here, too. Sophia, you should just have caramel. That'd be better. Hey. Little dude. Hey, little guy. Aww. You're so cute. Pick that apple.
Yum.
Yeah, it's like that. But okay.
I don't think it's ripe yet. Is it pretty nice?
Oh God, the leaf went off with this one. And you know, guys, apples are good for compost, so just chuck them. Here it is. Oh, and it's all squishy. Screw you! It's like Trevor from Grand Theft Auto. Gosh, look at that. Rest in peace. I'm sorry. The memories. These are the memories that I'm gonna want to look back at. Girls, look what I did to this apple.
Oh my lord.
Yeah.
You ordered it.
That was actually the apple that I threw, and then I just stomped on it. Think about it. 5 minutes ago, I was eating that thing, and now it's like completely unedible. It's gross. It's legit raining right now. I saw a rainbow just a second ago. It's behind the trees. I don't know where they are. So, do you see the rainbow?
Double rainbow. Guys, it's a rainbow.
That's insane. It's a double rainbow.
That's a good rainbow.
Oh, it is a double rainbow.
Whoa, it's a full rainbow. Whoa, double rainbow. Woo, yeah. It's starting to rain hard, actually. It's a full rainbow, guys. Whoa. Yeah, rain or shine, or rain and shine. I don't care. Looking at the rainbows, you know, who really cares? Who cares?
Me.
Yeah, it's fine. Whoa, it's a full rainbow, guys. Look at that. It's all the way across. I want to go to the end of it.
No, yeah, take a picture.
Yeah, I want to go to the end of it, though. Find the pot of gold.
Take a picture.
No, but I really wonder what it's looked like at the end of a rainbow. Like, if you just followed it, it'd be awesome. These are memories. Them apple picking. And I'm sorry! It's a full double rainbow. I'm not even kidding. Look at it. You can see that's insane. You guys see this? Look at this.
It's like a natural phenomenon thing.
I seriously want to go see what's at the end of it. We're not far from it. That's for sure. You see it? It would be awesome.
What?
You know, a blind person seeing a rainbow for the first time.
Yeah.
Or the Grand Canyon. Or like the Aurora, whatever they call it, where the skies get all green and something.
Northern Lights.
Yeah, something like that. I seriously want to see what happens if I just chuck it right at the ground. The hard ground. Hard.
Oh my lord.
Look what it did. That's like insane. Look at that. Look at it. It's like sharp. That's sharp on those edges. And then like all guts. It's a full double rainbow. It's insane.
All the way.
Double rainbow.
It's a full double rainbow.
Yeah! Woo! Double rainbow. We got the thumbnail of Olivia like putting her arms up at the rainbow. It was really cool. It's actually raining pretty hard, guys. It doesn't. Oh God! Look at that scary black cloud. Oh God! It's really starting to rain. Oh, look at her face, guys. It doesn't show much on camera, but her face is like soaking wet.
Your glasses, though.
Singing in the rain.
That's the musical we're doing this year too.
Are you gonna join it?
I don't know. I've never seen it or heard of it. I'm cold. This rain is cold.
And the rainbow's going away and it's just starting to turn to dark clouds. I didn't really care when it was like sunshine, but now that it's like cloudy.
Wanna go home?
Yeah, I want to go home now.
Cold.
Yeah.
Not happy.
Yeah. There's still a little bit of life in that rainbow. But we got that thumbnail picture at the last second though. Like, I decided like let's retake it and get the full rainbow.
Hashtag thumbnail.
Yeah. It's legit pouring right now. It's not even funny. It's kind of sad. You know, rain makes us a really good hair gel.
You look like an anime character.
Yeah.
You really do.
Looks good. Olivia, trying to make out with my ears. Wieners. You know, I realized I need to put my Halloween lights up today.
Cold.
I was gonna do that on the 1st, but I'm shaking the camera.
Olivia, I'm still seeing a what back.
Cold. Hot. Olivia, you can die. Just make sure you don't fall over and shake the camera as you're doing it. My name is Cleveland Brown, and I am proud to be right back in my hometown with my new family. Hey, that's not a nice thing to say.
Why are you in a closet? That's the only place I can.
Now you are.
Oh my God, I am! Hi, YouTube.
Why do you gotta do that every time?
Hi.
Oh, Rebecca's doing it too. Caden's doing it.
Here's Jacob just like, staring dead at me.
Oh, Jacob left.
Kid.
I'm gonna get him back in
No,
here.
don't add him yet. before you guys go, real quick. What was I gonna say? Oh,
I'm getting you
wait,
back
no,
in here.
add him back in because he can find out. Oh, what the hell?
Did Caden leave too?
Huh?
Did Caden leave too?
Yeah.
Asshole.
Jeter. You deserve better.
You deserve better. Yeah, that's true.
That's all I have to say.
You deserve a lot better,
Oh,
Rebecca.
look, it's Rebecca.
I actually do have one more thing that I need to do. It's the 3rd, and I haven't done anything with these yet. I was gonna do it on the 1st, but I didn't. We run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Are we ready for the ultimate reveal? Let's get the lights. Oh, so pretty. That's beautiful, guys. That's gorgeous. All the way around. Actually, you can see this duct tape right here. Not this one, but this duct tape I used this last year to hang the Halloween lights up, so it's been sitting there for a year. Aww. Another one. Really? Another song? I thought Sweatshirt was too much. Then Hit or Miss came. That actually wasn't too bad. This song so far sucks. The video does not sound too bad. But, you know, the lyrics, I don't like the lyrics. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to have to end it for you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Stay strong. Have a fantastic day today. And I will see you later.